I'm Janet with Try It Like It Create It, and I have in front of me just two products from the Dollar Tree that I wanted to do an unboxing for you. They had this in one of those boxes that kind of hang on the side of the shelf, and these are ink pads that coordinate with each other. So we've got 4 colors. We've got What a Sweetie, Eggplant, Punk Purple, and Blueberry. So I thought we could swatch these and see how well they work. And I know that they had other sets. I think at my store they only had one other color. And I don't know how well they work, but I just wanted to give them a try. So I grabbed these little pads. And then I also grabbed, in the same display, they had a bunch of different paper sets. And I couldn't find all of the ones I was interested in, but I did find this one. So I thought we could open it and go through it together. And let's see what we have here. All right, so it tells us there's 16 sheets, and the first couple look to be like printed vellum. So this one has animal shapes on it. This is dogs and cats. These are their footprints, and these are like vellum, I would say, a little bit translucent. Then we've got glitter and 2 green. We've got 2 metallic silver. We've got 1 pastel green, pastel purple, pastel pink. This seems to be the animals pack with the dog paper, pattern, fur pattern. And we've got cat paper. Looks like maybe a fox, but I guess they're all cats. Another kind of fur pattern with foil. And then we've got cats with foil. And then the last one we have are footprints with foil. So let me set these off to the side because those are really cute and interesting. And I grabbed a stamp from the Dollar Tree, and I just thought we could ink it up. I'm just going to go from light to dark. So I'll start with the light and stamp it. I'm not going to clean it off. I'm just going to continue on. It appears to be similar to like a chalk ink at the moment, but there's the light. It seems to be applying well and stamping well so far after one application. So let's see how these go. This would work really nice for a layered stamp image. I think that they might also, do they stack on top of each? Oh, they do. They stack on top of each other. So that's really nice as well. And so here is the last color. I'm impressed so far. Let me know if you've tried them or what your impression is of these. All right, so there are the 4 colors of ink. Let me know what you think.